Hi folks, Rob at Gulf Coast Marine. I want to talk to you today about a question that we get asked every year about this time of the year.
Will you be at the boat show?
Well, the answer to that question is no. We're not going to the boat show this year, and I'm going to tell you why. Billy Holmes, the owner here at Gulf Coast Marine, and I sat down and we figured up what it was going to cost us to send our boats over to the boat show, between man hours, gas, not to mention the cost of the hall itself to set up a booth over there. And we thought, why waste all of that time, energy, and money to take our boats someplace where, quite frankly, it's going to cost our customers more to buy their boat. So we've taken we've figured up all the money that it's going to cost us, divided it among our inventory, and we're going to pass that savings along to you, which means that when you shop at Gulf Coast Marine this weekend, when you come to our comfortable showroom, instead of being in that carnival atmosphere of the boat show, not only are you going to get to take advantage of all the discounts that the boat show is offering, or the manufacturers are offering based on the boat show, but we're also going to take the money that we would have spent and give that to our customers in the form of additional savings, which means about $1,500 to $2,000 on average. So come see us this weekend at Gulf Coast Marine here on the island. Our phone number is here on the up in the corner. My name's Rob, and we'll see you this weekend.